Elon, I think I must.
It's the king, man.
Elon, I think I must. 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 Reach for the stars, smoking your Nissan. It's for a good cause, I'd rather just be gone or bygones. Or be my own boss, I'd rather just recline and sit back. So we can take off, gotta go eat fine, then we fine. Even if we get lost, I take valet rides, hope we synchronize this auto driving this truck. I got all the miles, plus I optimize, we might die, but good luck. Hope we reach the sky before I reach the pond, like east side in the slumps. I got a Visa card, it shouldn't be so hard if we try to look the shit up. Elon, I think I must. 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 Elon, I think I must.
I think I must make these sucker niggas eat my dust. Make these hoes eat the bed sheets up. Tell my accountant pull the spreadsheets up. Counting up these guys we trust. Shit real, ain't no Usher bucks. It's gonna have to compensate for love, cause there ain't a woman I'm gon' trust. Looking back on where I come from, feels like I ain't done enough. But the hate's so real and fat. Somebody say that I do too much. Living life how I see fit. Not cocky, this confidence. They gon' say I should humble myself, but not before I pop my shit. Elon Musk, I think I must fuck this crypto up. Charge y'all like a Tesla. Bring the back to the hood, yeah. Buy these blocks up. Employ all the felons. Tell them niggas squad up, yeah.
Elon, I think I must. Elon,